Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video, we are going to write a code in C language to print a table of a given number using for loop. So let's start. We know that looping statements are also called as iterative statements or repetitive control statements. They are basically a set of instructions executed until certain condition is satisfied. Syntax of for loop is as shown. It has three parts: initialization, condition check, and increment or decrement operator. Example for loop is as shown here. Variable I is initialized as I equal to 0, which is called as initialization. Now condition I less than equal to 10 is condition, and in increment decrement section we have written I++, which is post increment operator. Now we shall discuss about an algorithm. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to execute a task. Before writing actual code, we shall discuss about an algorithm. Here, step 1 is start. In step 2, we shall read a number whose table is to be computed and store it in a variable num. In step 3, we shall initialize loop with a variable I from 0 to 10. That is, first value is 0 and last value is 10. In step 4, we will calculate multiplication table using formula num cross I. In step 5, we shall display multiplication value. Step 6 is the last step, that is stop. Now we shall discuss about flowchart for the same task. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Number is read and stored in variable num as displayed in input-output block. Later, initialization of loop variable I is done as I equals to 0. Then we shall perform actual table value computation and increment operation as shown in process block. We shall display computed result using input-output block. At last condition is checked whether loop variable I is less than 10 or not. If condition is true, then loop iteration continues, else it stops. Now we will see actual program to find table of given number. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and conio.h is done. In main function, we will initialize variable num and I. Now we will read the value of variable num using scanf function. Now we have for loop. In for loop, first initialization of variable I as 0 is done. Next, in condition check, I is less than equal to 10, and in increment decrement we have I++. In curly bracket we can see we have computed the value of table elements using formula num into I and displayed those values. CLR/SCR is used to clear the screen and getch is used to hold the output screen only. Now we will execute the code using Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall run the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, let's enter a value of variable as 5. Thus, we have got elements of table 5 as shown. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.